Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print and assemble your cat-cow sewing pattern. Let's first go over the 4 files that you will receive with your pattern. You'll receive an instructions file with information on fabrics, notions, tools, sizes, fabric yardage, and sewing instructions. You'll also receive an A0 file for large poster printing, which you can take to a printing shop. An A4 file for at-home printing, typically used by all countries except for the United States and Canada. And a US letter file, sized at 8.5 by 11, typically used by the United States, Canada, and South America. Let's open a file to print. Here you can see this PDF consists of multiple pages you will print to assemble your pattern. Keep in mind, every printer has different default settings. You want to look out for color and scale before clicking that final print button. As you can see, my default printer settings has color turned off. I'm going to go ahead and toggle that on. And if I look at scale, it is defaulted to 102. I'm going to change that to 100. You do not want to scale to fit. Always keep your pattern scaled at 100 so it doesn't affect any of the pattern measurements. And now you can print. Now that all your pages have printed, let's assemble the pattern. Lay out your pattern by the page number at the top. Here you will see A1 and A2, as well as B1 and B2. You always want your numbers horizontal and your letters vertical. Let's go over the 2 ways to assemble your pattern. The first one is pretty simple. All you need is tape. You first want to fold all the corners of each page. Match up the pages, meeting at the stars, and tape. The second method requires a paper trimmer. Simply trim off all the margins of each page. This requires a bit more effort. Once your margins are trimmed, simply line up the pages and match at the stars. You can then tape the pages together. This method allows you to read all of the text on your pattern. Once you have all your pages taped together, look for the size guide. This will tell you which size to cut that matches your measurements. Now you can use all of the pattern pieces to cut your fabric. And that's it. Once you have your fabric cut, you can follow the instructions to start sewing your garment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.